During this season, when we'll be doing field work, we'll be going to households. So we'll be knocking at people's households. But before we do that, in fact, even before we launch the survey today, we've been on the ground mobilizing communities and informing them that we'll be coming. So we are not just going to appear at the households. They will already be aware that we are coming, and they will already be prepared for us. In fact, they are prepared for us. And so we will then engage with them. There will be questions that the individuals in the household will get to answer. We have a questionnaire, so there will be a lot of questions, and that actually takes a lot of time. And then we will take a blood sample that will enable us to measure HIV. We will also do syphilis, and we will do hepatitis. And so that is what the communities will expect to be tested. But just to emphasize that this is a process that is voluntary. No one is going to be forced to do it. But we are going to talk with the households and with the individuals that this survey is going to be of benefit, not only to them as individuals and households, but to the rest of the country.